Good morning from Georgetown, Malaysia.
I'm April. This is Tim. We're travelling the world and sharing our journey along the way.
Subscribe to our channel if you want to come with us.
So this is our first big day in Georgetown. We arrived late in the afternoon yesterday. First things first, we've come to Mugshot to get a coffee. Apparently it's meant to be good. This is an overwhelming amount of food that you're supposed to try while in Penang. So we're going to make it easy on ourselves and just pick stuff that's vegetarian or vegan. Still a lot of food. It looks really good, but today we are going to try and do maybe 4 or 5 different dishes, popular like Malaysian Penang food, and check out some street art. Nice and sunny outside today as well, so it should be good. This is our first stop. We're going to try roti canai, which is some roti bread with some like curry gravy. I've never had it before. It sounds like a perfect snack, and this is apparently the place to try it. Hello. Have roti canai? 10. Apparently we missed out on the roti canai. I think it's like breakfast only. So,
Location 2?
Location 2, let's go. Cassette tapes, no way. Okay, I think we're in Little India. Door handles here are always so cool. I've seen lots of like elephants and stuff. Very ornate. Hello. So we went with the vegetarian set lunch. We thought we were getting the banana leaf, which is quite common. It's pretty much the same thing, but I guess the banana leaf you normally get is a banana leaf as the plate with lots of little different gravies and vegetables, and I think this one's even a dessert. We've got a mango juice and there's 9 different things, some roti and some rice. I love meals like this because I feel like you get to try a whole bunch of different things and you don't have to commit to one dish. This is my kind of meal. It would be bad if I started with the dessert. Excuse me. Is there a particular way you need to eat this?
Take it upside down. Put the rice inside. Put it outside.
I'll take this out?
Yeah.
Ah. Right.
Put the curry.
Ah, okay, thank you. Right.
And then you put the curry in there.
Yeah, and then I think you eat it with your hands. I wasn't really sure how you meant to eat this food, so I asked him to come over and show me. And you meant to put all of these curries around the rice in the middle of the plate. But some of them are really watery, like this one. I've just been drinking it like soup. But I don't think that's what you meant to do. Last but not least, the dessert. I actually did wait. The dessert's last. I'm pretty sure it's like a dough ball in syrup. Yum. Tim's being a rebel and he's refusing to do it the proper way. So hot outside and we saw this little smoothie juice place, so we stopped and having a nice fruit smoothie. Tim has mango in his, but it's also a lot of whipped cream. you notice that we rocked up too late to the other place for the roti canai, so we tried again today and we found somewhere right near our hostel. I guess that the roti canai is like a Indian curry for breakfast. I got the vegetarian version. This is the roti, it has cheese in it, and this is like I think it's a potato and eggplant curry. Seems quite a lot of flavour for first thing in the morning, but I did want to give it a go. I think that normally you're meant to eat it with your hands, but I'm going to go with the... my roti. There's so much cheese inside this roti. It's actually pretty good. It's not very spicy. Okay, something interesting has happened. So this vlog is a bit of a mess. We have changed accommodation. We're now in an Airbnb and we thought that we would just wrap it up and show you the place. But we are actually locked in our bedroom for some reason. Like this, we cannot open this door. So we're currently locked in our room. Thankfully, we've just had lunch, we've just gone to the toilet and we've just got a whole bunch of water and there's aircon. The host is messaging me now. I mean, I must sound really crazy because I've written to him. We're somehow locked in our room. We closed the door and it won't open. Can you come and help us out? He said, do you mean you are locked in the room? He probably thinks we're weirdos. The situation currently is that the host is here and he can't open it at the moment. I think he's gone to get tools.
How about that that thing? Is it going in or
Nah.
out? Okay.
It's like you can't press it to lock it.
Okay. Just press it in a little bit and then use the friction of the surface of your thumb.
What is your tool?
It's an ear cleaner. Well, it's a good thing I went to the toilet when I did.
Just YouTubing it. Good old YouTube. We've learned something new today.
Yeah, that's right.
Learned how to take a door handle off. Dad's gonna want you to help with the renos now after he sees this.
Yes!
Yeah!
Wow.
Yay!
We're moving rooms. We got an upgrade. It's a lot bigger. 2 beds and
Oh,
we've got
wow.
access to our own private balcony.
Wow. Oh, that's cool.
And we learnt something about locks.
What a strange vlog. Oh well, these things happen, I guess.
Well, it's been fun having you along with us today,
And yesterday.
the last couple of days.
If you like traveling with us, subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.